You can store answers and recall them at a later time. Say if you have a long decimal or some quantity that you've calculated, you know you're going to have to use that in other applications and you don't want to have to do all the keystrokes that you did to get that answer before. You can just store that numeric value in your calculator. To do this, what you would do is, well, let's say that we had something like the square root of 789 and you had to add 0.5 to that, and so you need to store this in your calculator. So here is the button, the store button. You want to hit that, and then you're going to hit the alpha button, which accesses all your letter keys. You can see that the alpha lock is on now. Let's say that we want to store this in the letter P right now, which is under the 8 button. So it's going to take the answer from the last line and store it in the letter P. Go ahead and hit enter and it will give that entry again, but it tells you that you have that stored in P. So later on, as you're working in your calculator and you need to use that entry, so you have 589 plus 3.7, and you need to subtract that amount that you had stored in your calculator. You can see under the store key there's the RCL, that's the recall button. So to get to that, you're going to press the blue button to be able to get to that blue recall function. Now it puts on the screen recall. Now what you need to do, since your entry is stored in letter P, you're going to hit the alpha button and then P, and now it's going to recall P when we hit enter. And you can see you have all the entries you had before, and it's subtracting the number that was stored in P. You can go ahead and hit enter if you needed to at that time, and the answer with that stored entry shows up.